Hello everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. Today, I'm going to be guiding you through how to play music on Instagram Notes. You can now not only share a thought on Instagram Notes and also can add music and allow your followers to listen to the music that you've added. Keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to play music on Instagram Notes, first tap open your Instagram application from your app drawer and make sure that you're logged into your account as well. From the main homepage of Instagram, tap on the DM icon located at the top right hand corner. You'll now end up in your messages page. You'll be able to see your profile icon with a plus icon in it at the top left. Tap on the plus icon and you can now go ahead and add an Instagram note. Type in your thought into the text bubble, and then after you are done with it, you can also add music to your notes. Tap the music icon right under your profile picture. Search for the music you'd like to add from the For You page, or you can also simply go to the Browse tab and look for the music you'd like to add. If you want to search for a particular music, you can also go to the search box and type in the name of the song. After you find your music, tap on the music and select the part you'd like to play on your Instagram note. After you are done, tap on Done. You'll be able to see the music title displayed right above your Instagram note or your profile picture. After you are done adding your music, tap Share at the top right. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to play music or add music on Instagram Note. Now, whenever your followers tap on your note, they'll be able to play music on your Instagram Note. That is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.